Enabling two-factor authentication on Apple Pay adds an extra layer of security to your transactions. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. This is where you can manage all your device settings, including security features. Step 2. Tap on your name. At the top of the Settings menu, tap on your name to access your Apple ID settings. This section contains options related to your account and security. Step 3. Select Password and Security. In your Apple ID settings, find and select the Password and Security option. This will take you to the security settings for your account. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on it and follow the prompts to enable this feature. You may need to answer security questions or verify your identity. Step 5. Confirm your trusted devices. After enabling two-factor authentication, ensure that your trusted devices are set up. This includes confirming the phone numbers and devices that will receive verification codes. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on Apple Pay, enhancing your security while making transactions.